Hello guys, welcome. I am taking the kids to the movies today. They wanted to go see that new Minion movie, The Rise of Gru. So I'm taking them out. We're just gonna watch the movie, relax a little bit. We can't record inside, so yeah, I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, we just came out of the movie. It was so good. It was so funny. Hold on, Jax, wanna say hi?
Hola.
How was the movie, guys?
It was awesome.
Yeah, so
It was awesome.
yeah, so we had a good time. I'm actually glad I came out tonight with the kids. So yeah, we're heading home now. It's what, almost 10 o'clock. So we're going home. But yeah, if you want a movie to take your kids, go ahead and see the Rise of Gru. It was really good. And guess what? The background music was hot. That's like one of the best part of the movie is the background music. So, all right, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for another video coming up soon. Say bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Hi, guys. Welcome back to the channel. So, today we're outside in the backyard. We have some chicken on the grill. We have hubby on the grill. Today's 4th of July, so we're doing some chicken. Later on, we're gonna do some hamburgers for the kids and some hot dogs. Say something for the camera.
Happy 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July, guys. So we have 3 outside and 3 inside. All right, guys, look at this. I have a mango tree, right? So I have it in a pot. When it gets a little bit bigger, I'll try to put it in the ground. And I have a little pineapple, and I have another one. This one we just picked like maybe a week ago. And I have another mango tree, but it's very tall, but it not bear nothing. So I might just cut off the top and then put it in the ground so it can start to grow. So yes, so this is how be on the grill. So I'll check you guys back later. All right, guys, so now we put some corn on the grill and we start with the burgers. So soon we're gonna have some hot dogs. And how long before we're ready, you think? About another 30 minutes? Hour? Soon. Okay, so soon we're gonna be having some barbecue. All right, guys, so this is my dinner. I have a burger with the bun, hot dog, some baked beans, and the chicken. The corn, later me get the corn. So yeah, it looks good. Hope it tastes good. Hi guys, welcome back. So we're waiting for fireworks to start. So they have a concert going on now, and we didn't want to go to that, so we're just chilling, waiting for the fireworks to start.
Woohoo!
With the fam.
Hey guys! And you guys heard about the honey game?
was a hurricane. All right, so